What's up guys, today we're gonna talk about the new Galaxy Fold 2 and the Galaxy Z Flip 5G details. The Samsung plans to release an improved Galaxy Z Flip version with the 5G support towards the end of the year, while the Galaxy Fold 2 could hit the markets this August with the larger inner and outer screens, punch-hole hot selfie camera and the S20 rear camera setup and the possible pen support. There will be a more affordable 256GB storage version as well as a more expensive 512GB model with a better cameras. The first generation Galaxy Fold had a few glaring shortcomings, especially due to some rushed design choices, but Samsung is willing to rectify most of the problems with the second iteration this year. Sam Mobiles managed to get exclusive insider info on some of the improved features coming with the Fold 2, and it looks like a new flip version is also in the books. According to the Sam Mobile's insider info, Samsung intends to lower the price point for the upcoming Fold 2 devices. This will be achieved by providing a basic version with the 256GB of a storage, which should have a similar price to the current Galaxy Z Flip, if not even lower. Short $1,380 cannot really be considered affordable, but it is a decent cut over the $2,000 Galaxy Fold price tag. At this rate, the third generation Fold could be offered for less than $30,000. Samsung will still provide a more expensive version with the 512GB storage, however. Some of the improvements coming with the Fold 2 include a larger external screen along with the largest 7.7-inch folding screen that will feature a punch-hole selfie cam instead of the awkward lateral notch. Just like with the Galaxy Z Flip, the Fold 2 will get a flexible glass lid and the designer will continue to tweak the hinge system. The rear camera setup is supported to be similar to the one of the Galaxy S20 models, although it is not clear if the more expensive version Fold 2 will get the S20 Ultra setup. Unconfirmed rumors also suggest the existence of a pen support and even a 4G only version for the lower prices. For the new Flip version, Samsung is planning to add 5G support. Insiders say that this features was omitted from the original version due to battery life problems and implementation costs. Samsung may have found a sweet support with the original Flip pricing that led to record sales, so it will be interesting to see if the new 5G version is going to get the same sub $1,400 price. Insiders were not too specific about the Flip 5G launch date, most likely scheduled for the Q4 2020, yet the Fold 2 is expected to launch in the Q3 along with the Note 20. Before go to the next video, please click on the like button and also click on the subscribe button for the latest upcoming videos.